Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with me. I'm Mila. Before we jump into today's lesson, let me ask you something. Did you know that 87% of English learners get lost, miss flights, or feel embarrassed when traveling? All because of one deadly translation mistake. Today is episode 4, Transportation and Directions, and trust me, this one topic can change your entire travel experience. Let me tell you about a transportation emergency that changed everything. True story. My student Hannah missed her job interview because she couldn't understand the phrase, "take the next exit." She was in a taxi, trying to translate word by word, thinking, how do I take an exit with my hands? The taxi driver repeated it 3 times. She got more confused. She arrived 45 minutes late. Interview gone. Another student, David, heard, "This is the last time we are calling passengers to get on the plane." David thinks, final boarding call. Who is calling? What is boarding? He didn't ask, he just froze. His flight left. He missed his connection. Extra $800 for new tickets. Here's the real problem. You know every single word, but you have no idea what it really means when natives say it fast in real transportation situations. These phrases are urgent. You have no time to think, no time to translate. Where to fill it up, watch out, pull over. These are emergency communications. Trying to translate word by word, Jaco disaster. So what's the rule that will save your travels? Learn these phrases as complete units. Never break them apart. Today's goal, you'll learn 40 essential phrases that will transform you from a confused tourist to a confident traveler. Golden rule. Learn each phrase as one complete unit. No breaking apart. I'll say each phrase 3 times. Copy my voice, my rhythm, and my confidence. Ready? Let's master transportation English. Part 1. Basic movement and status. These are the phrases you'll use every single day when traveling to tell people where you are, where you're going, and if you're having problems getting there, on my way. This means you're moving, you're coming. You're already on the road. On my way, running late. You won't arrive on time, running late. Almost there. This means you're very close. You're just a few minutes away. Almost there, just arrived. This means you're here. You've reached your destination. Just arrived. I'm stuck in traffic. This means you can't move. There are too many cars. I'm stuck in traffic. ETA 5 minutes. This means estimated time of arrival is 5 minutes. You'll arrive in 5 minutes. ETA 5 minutes. Where to? This means where do you want to go? Where to? Drop me off here. This means stop right here. Let me out. Drop me off here. Pull over. This means move to the side and stop. Pull over. Watch out. This means be careful. Something dangerous is happening. Watch out. Let's practice all 10 together. Remember, these are complete phrases, not individual words. On my way, running late, almost there, just arrived. I'm stuck in traffic. ETA 5 minutes. Where to? Drop me off here. Pull over. Watch out. You did amazing. Let's keep going. The next part is all about directions. Part 2. Giving directions. Whether you're driving, walking, or giving someone directions, these phrases are absolutely essential. They're the difference between getting there safely or getting completely lost. Turn left. This means change direction to go left. Basic direction instruction. Turn left. Turn right. This means change direction to go right. Basic direction instruction. Turn right. Go straight. This means continue forward without turning. Keep moving in the same direction. Go straight. Make a U-turn. This means turn around and go back the opposite direction. Complete direction reversal. Make a U-turn. Take the next exit. This means use the next road to leave the highway. Navigation instruction for highways. Take the next exit. Take the shortcut. This means use the faster, shorter route. Choose the quicker path to your destination. Take the shortcut. Avoid rush hour. This means don't travel during busy traffic times. Skip the crowded travel periods. Avoid rush hour. Heavy traffic. This means many cars. Slow movement. Describes congested road conditions. Heavy traffic. Light traffic. This means few cars. Easy movement. Describes clear road conditions. Light traffic. Rush hour. This means peak travel time with heavy traffic. Busy commute periods. Usually morning and evening. Rush hour. Let's practice phrases 11-20. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Make a U-turn. Take the next exit. Take the shortcut. Avoid rush hour. Heavy traffic. Light traffic. Rush hour. Excellent. Now you can navigate any road situation. But what happens when things go wrong? Let's learn the emergency phrases that could save your day. Part 3. Car problems and emergencies. Nobody wants car trouble, but when it happens, you need to communicate clearly and quickly. These phrases could literally save your trip and maybe even your life. Car trouble. This means my vehicle has a problem or my car isn't working properly. General term for any car issue. Car trouble. Out of gas. This means no fuel left in the tank. Your car stopped because there's no gasoline. Out of gas. Flat tire. This means the tire has no air and is damaged. Your wheel is deflated and needs repair. Flat tire. Fill it up. This means put gasoline in the tank until it's full. Complete refueling instruction at gas stations. Fill it up. Check the oil. This means examine the engine oil level and condition. Basic car maintenance instruction. Check the oil. Call a tow truck. This means contact a vehicle that can pull my broken car. Emergency service for non-working vehicles. Call a tow truck. Jump start. This means use another car's battery to start my dead car. Emergency procedure for dead batteries. Jump start. Close call. This means almost had an accident but avoided it. Nearly dangerous situation that ended safely. Close call. Slow down. This means reduce your speed. Drive at a slower pace for safety. Slow down. Speed up. This means increase your speed. Drive faster to match traffic flow. Speed up. Let's practice phrases 21-30. Car trouble. Out of gas. Flat tire. Fill it up. Check the oil. Call a tow truck. Jump start. Close call. Slow down. Speed up. Great job. You're now prepared for any driving emergency. Finally, let's master public transportation. Part 4. Public transportation. Public transport can be confusing even for native speakers. These phrases will help you navigate any bus seat, train, or subway system with confidence. Next stop. This means the following station where the vehicle will stop. Announcement on buses, trains, and subways. Next stop. All aboard. This means everyone get on the train now. Final call for passengers to board. All aboard. Mind the gap. This means be careful of the space between the platform and train. Safety warning in subway systems. Mind the gap. Excuse me. Coming through. This means please move aside. I need to pass. Polite way to ask people to let you by. Excuse me. Coming through. Is this seat taken? This means is someone already sitting here? Polite way to ask if you can sit down. Is this seat taken? Transfer here. This means change to a different line at this station. Instruction for switching trains or buses. Transfer here. Express train. This means fast train that skips many stations. Quick service with limited stops. Express train. Local train. This means slower train that stops at every station. Regular service with all stops. Local train. End of the line. This means final stop. Everyone must get off. Last station on the route. End of the line. Platform 3. This means boarding area number 3. Specific location where your train arrives. Platform 3 out. Let's practice phrases 31-40. Next stop. All aboard. Mind the gap. Excuse me. Coming through. Is this seat taken? Transfer here. Express train. Local train. End of the line. Platform 3. Incredible. You've now learned all 40 essential transportation phrases that could save your travels. Now let's put these phrases into real-world action with some practical conversations. Scenario 1, rideshare experience. Listen and repeat both parts to practice natural conversation flow. Hey Mila, where are you? The movie starts in 20 minutes. I'm running late. I'm stuck in traffic. Oh no, how much longer? ETA 10 minutes. Almost there. Okay, I'll wait. Drive carefully. Thanks. Just arrived. Where are you? At the main entrance. See you? Scenario 2. Practice with me, Mila. After I ask a question, pause the video and try to answer by yourself first. Then play the video again to hear my suggested response. Yesterday, I had the worst transportation day ever. First, I was driving to work when my car started making strange noises. I had to pull over and discovered I had a flat tire. How would you react to that situation? Oh no, car trouble. That's terrible. Right. So I called my friend Mark for help. He said, I'll be right there. I'm on my way. But then he texted me 15 minutes later saying, what? Running late. Stuck in traffic or exactly. Finally, Mark arrived and helped me call a tow truck. The tow truck driver asked, where to? I told him my mechanic's address. At the mechanic, they said, we need to check the oil and change your tire. Fill it up too. What would you say? Yes. Fill it up, please. Perfect. After fixing my car, I was so late for work that I had to take the express train instead of driving. At the station, I heard all aboard. Next stop, downtown. But then I realized I was on the wrong platform. I had to transfer, and when I finally got to work, my boss asked, traffic problems. How would you explain car trouble, flat tire, then heavy traffic? Great job. Sometimes transportation challenges test our English skills the most. Now, let's work on making these phrases sound natural when you speak them. Pronunciation tips. Transportation rhythm, linking sounds. Practice saying these as one unit, no breaks between words. On my way, daten on my way. Running late, der running late. Almost there. Almost there. Stress patterns. On my way, stress on. Running late, stress, run. Almost there, stress there. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't say I am on my way in casual conversation. Use on my way. Don't say fill it up as 3 separate words. It's one unit, meaning make it completely full. Don't translate where to. As in complete, it's a complete question, meaning what's your destination? Never translate running late. As jogging late, it means behind schedule. Perfect. Congratulations. You've just learned 40 essential transportation phrases that will help you navigate any English-speaking country safely and confidently. Remember the most important lesson: never translate word by word in transportation situations. Learn these as complete emergency units. These phrases happen in urgent, fast situations where word-by-word thinking or confusion, delays, and embarrassment. Keep practicing these whole phrases until they're automatic. When you're traveling, driving, or using public transportation, you don't have time to translate, you need instant understanding. In the next episode, we'll explore another set of powerful phrases that will make your English more natural. Until then, travel safely and use these phrases confidently. Take care, everyone. Bye.